Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now today is a different type of food pantry day. Today is where I just pick up the food and I do deliver it to a family that is in need of some food. So we're gonna see what they get. But I don't keep any of this. I'm just delivering it to them. Now I'll film as much as I can, but the family prefers not to be on camera, which I respect their privacy. I respect anyone's privacy. With that said, come on, let's go. There you go, Jay. Put that back. Yes, Javen. That's my little man. He's so cute. Thank you, Jay.
Lucky. We're getting food.
Okay, let's see what we got for our delivery.
Hey, bud.
Look at this. Luigi's Real Italian Lemon Ice.
Wait, Luigi. Sounds like a famous Italian plumber.
And look at this. Peach slices.
We're doing this in the car, by the way. Whipped cream.
Cookies.
Looks like we got some bread, guys. Let's see.
What else?
1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and hamburger buns, and I'm sure there's more.
Oh, look, there's some eggs.
Oh, there is more. Look at this, Chris.
I'm looking.
And liquid gold.
Yes.
And a sheet. Ooh.
Cherry tomatoes.
Look at that. They look so delicious. Almost like actual cherries. We went to the good food pantry, guys.
Yes, this family is going to enjoy it, aren't they, Javen? Also,
for those viewers who live in Highland, this is where you get the food from.
Yes. Today,
St. James Food Pantry.
Yes, today we went to St. James Food Pantry for people in Indiana.
See all the chips. 1, 2, 3. Look at this bag of tortilla chips, guys.
I know, right?
Crazy. Ooh, more bread. Chopped pecans. Perfect for
that one was over there.
ice cream. Also, let's see. Plain pound cake. And of course, it's a pound. 2 boxes of frosted sugar cookies. Not 1, but 2.
Oh, what's in there?
Ooh, let's see, shall we? All of the desserts and snacks are growing over here. Ooh, look at this. 2 cans. Now, for the mystery, it is mushrooms.
Ooh.
Perfect in stews, even sandwiches. Soups as well. Imagine the cream of mushroom soup.
Yes. You love my cream of mushroom soup, I know. What's under there?
Look.
Oh, I did this box. What's under there?
Forget gold. Diamonds!
Apples. Oh, look under there. Look at their celery. I see some celery.
Oh, yes. And baby carrots?
Yep. And now those what? Those celery and onions? Or is that just onions?
Well, let's see. Let's put that over there.
Right there on the bottom, Jay.
Right over there. Not so sure about onions.
Yes, those are onion tails. Shallots.
Oh, yes, they are.
Got a ton of them.
Perfect for soup, like chicken
Yes.
noodles.
Oh, is that cookie mix?
Yes, it is. Chocolate chip cookie dough. M&M's. M&M's, guys. That'll go with the treats box. Peaches, 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 peaches. If you can know what that song is, comment down below. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with the Luigi from before. Alrighty, let's see. More ice cream, guys. And a healthy Lunchable. Never thought I would see the day. Did you, Chris?
No.
Never thought I would see the day. And look at this. A pound of Albanese chocolate covered. Oh, no, not 1 pound. 2 pounds of Albanese chocolate covered raisins. Not sponsored.
Wow.
Oh, no. 3 pounds.
Do you know how much that? Oh my God. Okay.
This is like $20 worth.
Okay.
Easily.
Well, keep those in the
Oh
thing.
no, they're escaping.
Just close them back.
Get back in there.
And then we've got some cinnamon rolls. We got some more Freezy Pops for the kids. That's
Perfect for parties.
good. All right. That's perfect.
And
So
that's not even one box. Look at this. All right, let's put the cherry tomatoes away.
all right.
And 2 things of yogurt. 2. Let's see. It's plain ultra filtered yogurt. And Fairlife is pretty good yogurt, you guys.
Oh,
also,
yeah.
if you notice, Chris is the cameraman today and I'm the star.
And look at the desserts. Look at the desserts.
Let's see. A cherry puff strudel. A whole car seat full of it. Full of treats, guys. Ooh, let's see. Cinnamon rolls. Look at that. Delicious. Take a look, guys. A secret surprise bag. It has
Fruits and
apples, a
veggies.
banana. Look, more green onions, and Chris, look. It's carrots.
Carrots. What's in here?
Alrighty, let's see, shall we?
Just untie it from here.
You know how bad I am at nuts, Chris. Ooh, not this one though. More peaches.
Oh, frozen peaches.
Alrighty.
We have a huge bag right here. Oh. Let's see what's in here.
All for you, Chris. Now, this is where it gets fun, okay? Alright, let's see. Hamburger.
Look at hamburger.
Look at this, Chris.
What is that?
Let's see. It is a whole beef chuck roast.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Wow.
Do you
Wow.
Woohoo! Then, home style mashed potatoes.
All right, what else is in there? Shoot.
Let's see. Gotta take this out. Look,
Oh, wow.
fully cooked pork patties
Pork patties.
with protein added.
All right, is there anything else in there?
One more, and it is pork sausage.
Oh, right, for breakfast. Okay. Coolness.
Alrighty. Go to
Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com to write me. All right. Guys, I'm just going to pan to show you everything we got and what we're going to deliver. We're going to repack this box and take it right in there to them. So, big love from Uncle Chris and Jay. All right. Hey, how many subscribers we trying to get?
5K.
That's right.
Smash that subscribe.
Yes.